Yes, good morning children. Shall we start the revision of lesson number 1? Fill in the blanks. First we'll do all the exercise of all the lessons. Then we'll start discuss the questions and answers. And whatever you have doubts, you can ask me. You can give me a ring, or you can come to school and ask me. I'll explain you once again. And in the questions, whenever the diagram is necessary, you have to draw the diagram, because diagram explains the whole answer. So that's why you need to draw the diagram and label the parts, and labeling the parts correctly is one important matter. Simply you are drawing the diagram and not labeling the parts, what happens? There you are deducting the marks. You will not get the full marks. Only for the diagram, however you are drawing, for that will give them less marks. But if you draw the diagram and also label it, the parts perfectly, then you will get the marks. And also for the answers also. For the answer also will give you the marks. But simply not drawing and writing the answers, then it is not complete answer. So for whichever questions where there is a diagram is necessary, there I will tell you for this. And already when the lesson is going on, explaining the lesson there, and while writing the answers also, I told you to draw the diagrams and follow my notes. Whatever the questions, answers I am giving you, that you must by heart or try to understand and write in your words the same answers. Okay, the textbook answers we want. So fill in the blanks. First we'll do the exercises. Only few lessons are there for this. Later I'll give you the portion for the examination. Then fill in the blanks. Here lesson number 1. First we are doing the fill in the blanks and choose the correct answers. That is multiple choice. It is there already. We have done it this. But still once again we'll go for the fill in the blanks and then later multiple choice. And you have to by heart this equation also. Complete the equation which is given in the textbook. You can open your textbook and see wherever I am reading, you can follow me. Page number 191. Page number 191. Fill in the blanks. Plants prepare food by a process called photosynthesis. 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 And then second is the substance that makes a leaf green is called chlorophyll. Tiny openings on underside of these are called stomata. Plants that feed on insects are called insectivorous plants. insectivorous. Insectivorous plants. Plants that depend on their HEIR on their plants for their food. Other plants. Plants that depend on other plants for their food are called parasitic. Parasitic. These are the 5 fill in the blanks. Now you can open the multiple choice questions. The food made by plants, options are protein, B sugar, C fats, B sugar. You can see, open your textbook. In that also you can see. Second is, the gas released during photosynthesis is A oxygen, B carbon dioxide, C nitrogen. Releasing, which gas will be released? So that is oxygen is released, A. Then third is a green leaf turns bluish black when you add A potassium, B alcohol, C iodine. So C is the correct answer. The food in plants is stored in the form of starch, B minerals, C vitamins. So A starch. And the substance in leaves that helps to absorb sunlight is B stomata, chlorophyll and water. So chlorophyll, B is the correct answer. So complete the equation. Even the equation is also very important. So that also you have to by heart. Right? With this we have completed multiple choice question answers and fill in the blanks. And one more, true or false also you need to do it. Right? True or false? You see here you can see the daughter plant does not have chlorophyll. Wrong. The insectivorous plants cannot make their own food. Wrong. The daughter plant does not have chlorophyll. Is right. Insectivorous plants cannot make their own food. Wrong. And then plants take in oxygen during photosynthesis. Wrong. Plants cannot make food without sunlight. Right. The mistletoe is a partial parasite. Right. So these are the exercises we have done it today. You too by heart these, and also question answers also you can by heart. Okay, and by heart along with the spelling you have to by heart the question answers. If the spellings are little bit bigger, then you need to split those into two and you can write. Like carbon dioxide, how? C-A-R-B-O, carbon die, D-I, die, O-X-I-D-E. Like that you can by heart the question answers. In the next class, we'll discuss about the question and answers.